What's up guys, welcome back to Joevestor Trades. My name is Joseph, and in today's video, I'm going to be going over whether or not you should be buying Netflix after earnings. As we all know, they reported earnings and they fell pretty hard, so I'm going to be showing you guys the technicals and show you whether or not you should be buying right now. If you're going to enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading content like this. Also, if you want to be a part of a free trading community where you can ask me questions about any of the stocks you're interested in buying or even hopping into some of my plays, make sure to check out the Discord channel in the description down below. Alrighty guys, right here we have Netflix pulled up on the chart, and if we zoom in a little bit over here, we're on the 4-hour time frame, and this shows us the after hours movement. As we can see, Netflix opened up right around $553 today, and in after hours they sold off pretty heavily, falling all the way to a low of $491. That is a huge move to the downside. They reported good earnings, but as we can see, they fell tremendously. If we're being honest, also if we look at the bigger picture, Netflix has been pretty high recently. I didn't really expect them to jump up after hours for earnings, but this move to the downside is actually pretty healthy for the stock. As we can see, they're already starting to bounce a little bit off of from $491. Now, what I want to show you guys is their support level. As we can see, Netflix has actually been forming a nice support level right around this 490 area on the chart. Every time they reach to anywhere in this zone, they kind of had a nice bounce off from there. And as we can see in after hours, they fell right to the top of that support line and then started to bounce to the upside. So today is going to be very key for Netflix. I want to see what they do around this area. If they can continue to go to the upside in pre-market, this is a nice sign for Netflix to go long on the stock. But if they can't really hold up this 488 to 490 area of support, then we can see more downside on the stock. If they can't hold that level right there, the next level I'm looking at on Netflix. So definitely expect some volatility with Netflix today. As I said before, I want to see if they can bounce off of this 490 area. In my opinion, I think that they can. Netflix is a great company, and any dip gives investors opportunities, great deals to buy the stock. So if Netflix doesn't bounce from here, definitely expect a lower move to about 470, where this stock has a great support level where I think they'll ultimately bounce from. So Netflix is presenting a nice swing trade opportunity. If you want to be patient and play it a little safe, wait to see what Netflix does off of this 490 level. If they fall to this 470 level, this is where I would start to buy some call options about a month out, and that should give you some pretty nice gains on your money. As we can also see, it's very oversold. It reached a low of about 20 on the RSI, which is crazy oversold. So I'm pretty bullish on Netflix after earnings. This is a great opportunity for investors to buy the dip. And let me know what you guys think about Netflix in the comment section down below, and whether or not you'll be buying it as well. Also, if we look back at the last time Netflix reported earnings, they were kind of trading right around that support area I was talking about, and then they popped off and gapped up all the way to about 593. Ever since then, they never broke above that high, and they've just been slowly downtrending ever since their previous earnings. So given the fact that this is the opposite move from the last earnings, I expect Netflix to slowly creep back up and retest those all-time highs by the end of the year. If you learned anything from this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss when I upload. See you in the next one.